right, this is the video version for question number 1. First of all, let's make sure we actually read the directions. It says f of x is that big long expression, and there's g of x. Please pay attention to the fact that it is f of x minus g of x. So we're going to actually substitute it in one at a time. So f of x, it tells us, is equal to this group. So 6x plus 10x squared minus 12 minus in the middle. I'm going to put that in parentheses. G of x is this big group. Feel free to pause along the way if needed. Okay, but that's how you should be starting it. Now notice I put it in parentheses because this minus sign makes a big difference. It's actually a -1 out in front. And if you remember, that means it changes all of the signs in this group. It does not affect anything in the first group. So now we have 6x plus 10x squared minus 12. Now instead of 3, it's minus 3. Instead of plus 11x, it's minus 11x. And instead of minus 8x squared, it's plus 8x squared. That's a very important thing you have to do first. Next, we're going to start combining like terms. I have a 6x here. I can only combine that with other things that have just x. So that would be that one. 6 minus 11 is -5x. I'm going to put that in the middle. Next group I've got is the x squared. So I have 10x squared and 8x squared. 10 plus 8 is 18x squared. That goes in front. Notice I didn't add the exponents, just the coefficients in front. And then last but not least, I have -12 and -3, which is -15. Notice I haven't even looked at the examples. Based on this, the only one that matches exactly is letter D.